So what we're going to do now is kind of walk through what you get in the box, only because, well, it's a smoke detector. There's not a lot of things to look at normally. And as you can see from the picture there, it's just fairly plain. So let's actually take a look at how things are packaged and what you get with the Nest Protect. Battery version, but the wired version will be very similar. For starters, we'll open it up. You have this Google packet up top because, well, Nest is now owned by Google, if you did not know that already. Flip it over, we'll see what we got in here. So it looks like some basic welcome information. So quickie information about the light ring, as well as what you can expect. All right, that's basic. Here we have user guide, information, warning, warning. Both of them are stickers. Interesting. Then we actually have the Nest Protect, which is making a little bit of noise, but we have this plastic cover over it. So, oh, it's not actually a cover. It is a cover, but it actually grips onto the Nest Protect rather well. All right, so we pop that out. That's the Nest. There's the pull tab for the battery. And what it looks like is the sound I was hearing is actually for the plate. And there's little nubs in here that are supposed to hold the plate in place. And they kind of look like they broke. But there's your mounting plate, and at the bottom there you have 4 mounting screws, which we'll just leave in there for now. And that's really everything you get. You get the mounting plate, you get the Nest Protect, and the mounting screws. It's a nice little form factor.